And I acknowledge her right to make that decision, and I appreciate that decision. It's her business. She chose that path. Now she wants to reemerge as a political candidate, and I gotta tell you, my own personal friendship for her and my own personal respect for the job that she did for all those years at the Major, I would support her against just about anybody. Guess what? One of the people that I would not support her against is the one that's running against her. And it was his hat in the ring first. Dating back really before he took office, not the time he took office, because I asked him, I remember having a conversation with him and said, okay, congratulations, you won. How long are you going to do this? And he said, well, really depends. He said, I don't envision myself challenging Ron unless something really goes wrong with Ron.
That one bottleneck caused all the problems.
Those days, everybody thought Ron was just going to keep
great pulpy map, just really pulpy. And with that reputation, because I think it was so graphic, really stuck. Desserts, however, were always amazing. Baked goods were always amazing. Scones and clotted cream and steamed puddings and baseball tarts. And that was, I think, very important players.
It's a big mess issue. Two different houses, only probably 20 houses on this short road. But back I'd say around 2012.
Oh, that must be a difficult left turn. Just go.
The U.S. has sort of stepped out and Russia has rushed in to fill that vacuum.
We got a lot of work to do. Kelly Jane Torrance, Deputy Managing Editor for the Weekly Standard. Thank you for your perspective on this and the continued follow the developments of Russia.
Thank you, Kelly. Fox News alert: more protests are planned today over the shooting death of an unarmed black man by the Sacramento police. This comes after the family of Stephon Clark released a second independent autopsy that appears to contradict the original police report, saying Clark was approaching the officers when he was shot. Demonstrators now demanding charges be filed against the two officers involved.
Here we have the police on our streets once again killing us. You know, we've been saying this. We've been asking.
Right. And my wife and kids were in there, and it was like 5 something in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and I get a phone call saying the house is being flooded, there's water coming everywhere, and I go to tell them to get out, and they said, what do we do? I went to say, turn the power off and get out, and the phone went dead before they even heard that. And my son has the forethought to cut the power off because of the electrical outlet strips on the floor for the stereo and all that. They could have been all dead by the time I got there. And then on my way home, I couldn't come through Augusta because I was listening to the radio. And I had to get on I-20 and come that way. And then I hit one part of I-20.
His starts.
Yeah, well, I mean, I started off well with 3 birdies. On a day like today, when it's going to be tough, you sort of know you're going to have to take your chances when you get them, and it just happened that I had them on the first 3 holes. So, yeah, worked hard today. It was a fairly stress-free round, you know, a few...
Want to give the department $3.7 million for staffing, which is about a $750 raise for each corrections officer.
Presence is one of the first things you learn in law enforcement. You have to be there to see things. And one of the guitars of all time. Alexa, add this song to a new playlist. Jack's
Traffic and Augusta's most accurate and dependable forecasts are next.
At Dominion Energy, 1 in 5 new hires is a veteran. And when they're away, they miss out on a lot. Look towards the child and graduation.
At 7 o'clock, and we are going to have candidates for a week later. For example, we have 3 months worth of it.
And tomorrow night at the Avenue House of the
7 o'clock. Yeah, and those listeners too, so personal.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
But what if they dart into the street and get into trouble? What if they run off and never return, with invisibles on the headlines on social media?
I mean, I know you were kind of joking when you said, you know, what would people do with all their free time if they didn't have Facebook anymore, but...
Come on.
Thank you, Howard.
You're welcome, Corvette.
NPR's Howard Burkus has an ongoing investigation of the epidemic of advanced black lung disease.
It's professional. Parks Pharmacy, 437 Georgia Avenue in North Augusta, or again online, parkspharmacy.com.
New and used vehicles for prices you've got to see to believe, and not just any inventory. These are the vehicles you've been dreaming of. And I'm here to tell you that
Oh my God.
taxi, but that's a little Uber sign. I thought that was kind of small for a taxi.